Welcome students. In this video I am going to describe some more HTML tags in order to create web page. Here in this web page, here also I am using only body tag in order to display only the content of the web page. I am not using here the head tag. You have already know the use of head tag. Okay, so at first our first tag we are going to use is attributes of body tag. What are the attributes? What is the meaning of attribute? Attribute means it shows some special criteria on that specific tag. So at first I am using two attributes of body tag. One attribute is used to give the background picture on in the web page, and another attribute is used to give the background color in the web page. Okay, first I am going to use the attribute for the background picture in the web page. So its attribute, as this is an attribute of body tag, so that this attribute should be written within the angular brackets of body tag. So our first attribute is background. Background attribute is used to give the background picture in the web page. Okay, so background is the attribute, and then we have to give the name of the picture file which we want to use as an our background picture. So here I am using hill.jpg, which is our picture name. Okay, now we have to save. One point you must remember, that the file picture file hill.jpg and the HTML file which you are going to use, where we use that picture, must be in the same folder. Otherwise the web page will not get the path of the web page. Okay, so at first we have to save this HTML file in the same folder where we have kept the picture file. Now we use save as. Here our folder is, you see, html.file. Okay, now we are giving the name web.img. Okay, web.img, and you see here already the file hill.jpg is also in this folder html.file. Okay, and we are going to save this file in the same folder. Now I have saved it. Okay, now when you saw in the browser, you see here the picture will come in the background of the whole web page. It covered the whole web page, as this is the total height and width of the web page, and a single web page could not cover the whole web page, so that's why it used many number of pictures to cover up the whole web page. Okay, now if we write anything, suppose welcome to my web page. Okay, welcome to my web page. Now let us see. Here you will see this is our text on the web page. So everything whatever we write, that will display upon this background picture. So it is not feasible to write anything on that picture, because it is not display clearly if the background color is in prominent picture. Okay, that's why it is said that we should not use any background picture in a web page. And if we want to use in any background picture, then their brightness and contrast should be low, and it must be as a transparent picture. Okay, so then we can view the text properly upon this web page. Otherwise it is not displayed properly. Okay, so that's why we should not use any background picture. Now let us use, so this is our background attribute which is used within body tag to give the background picture. Now I am going to use some background color. See here, our background color attribute is bg color. Bg color is a tag name with a attribute name which is used to give the background color. Suppose we give our background color is cyan. Cyan means light blue. Okay, now see what will happen. You see here, the background color changes from white to cyan blue, and it will display, the text will display upon the background picture, and it is visible properly. Okay, so we should give background color instead of background picture in a web page. Okay, now let us see our next HTML tag. Our next HTML tag is used for listing any number or listing any item. There are two type of listing in HTML. One is ordered list and another is unordered list. Ordered list means it is used such as bullets in MS Word, where only the symbol is used for every item list, and numbering means on ordered list means numbered, used in MS Word as it is used in MS Word, and it should be either 1 2 3 4 or ABCD or something else like this. Okay, so here I am going to create two lists. One is unordered list and another is ordered list. Unordered list of some fruits and ordered list of some flowers. So let us see what is our tag. So for unordered list, our tag is UL. Okay, UL open and UL close. Unordered. And every list item should be written within UL open and UL close tag. Okay, so this is our main listing tag, UL open and UL close. Now for every list item, we should write li. Okay, li apple close li. This is our first list item. For second list item, again we have to use li orange. Okay, if we want to add another list item, then again we have to use li pineapple, this. Like this way, whatever may be the number of list item, we have to use for every list item one li tag, and that li tag should be within ul tag. Okay, so ul is our cover, and within ul tag we should use li tag. Li for every list item, there are three list item, and for every list item there is one li. So let us see its output. Here you see these three item, apple, orange, pineapple. For every list item, here it display one bullets with circle. Okay, this is for li, and these are circle. We can also change this circle using the unordered list type. Type means if we write type equals to square. Okay, if we write type equals to square, then you see the bullets type will change into square. Okay, so only circle and square can be used. Circle is by default, so we don't have to write type, and if we want to square, then we will write type. Okay, you must remember that every attribute, that is attribute of body bg color, if we don't write bg color, the color will not display in the body. So if we write body bg color, then it will display color in the background of the web page. So this is optional part. Here also type is optional part. If you want square as an list bullets, so you have to write type. If you don't want square, you only leave it with simple, it will display circle by default. Okay, now so this is our evil. Now we are going to use unordered list. For unordered list, our tag is OL. OL open, OL closed. OL means unordered list, and other things are same as our list item. So same our list item means for every list item we have to use li. Here we are going to write rows. First list item, this is a list of flowers. Second list item is rose, lotus. Third is jasmine. Okay, there are three list item: rose, lotus, jasmine. Okay, so here we say, here this is our ordered list OL, and this is our for UL. Okay, so by default ordered list gives 1 2 3, and here by default it gives circle. We can, if we want, we can change the type of the ordered list. If we write type here, type equals to A. You see here ordered list will be, if we change it small I, it will change 1 2 3. Okay, like this way we can change it. If we want to give the name as fruits, we have to write here fruits. We can give here the name using BR fruits. Okay, flowers. You see here fruits, name of the fruits, flowers, name of the flowers. Okay, wherever we want to display in this way, we just have to write it in the proper place. Here we write fruits. We here use two BR tag. One is at the beginning of, and end is at the after fruit. So here it creates two separate line, two space. By default, OL list and UL list always go create its list in a separate line. So before it, we don't have to use BR tag. Okay, now this is our, so here we learn the attribute of body tag, BG color and background, the listing, unordered list, and unordered list is eval, and ordered list is same as unordered list. Every list item should be written with li tag. Okay, and how many numbers we want here? We use with li element.